Need to copy text, links, photos, or messages on your iPhone? Whether you're saving information, sharing content, or editing documents, knowing how to copy and paste can save you a lot of time. In this tutorial, I will show you exactly how to copy and paste on iPhone in just a few simple steps. Let's start with text. To copy text on your iPhone, open any app that contains text such as Safari, Notes, Messages, or Mail. Tap and hold on a word until a menu appears. Drag the blue selection handles and highlight the text you want to copy. Tap Copy from the menu. The selected text is now saved to your iPhone's clipboard. To paste the copied text, open the app where you want to paste it. Tap and hold inside a text field or document, and then tap Paste when the menu appears. The copied text will instantly appear. If you want to copy a website link, open Safari, tap the address bar at the bottom or top of the screen, and tap Copy from the menu. Now you can paste the link into Messages, Notes, Mail, or any other app. You can also copy photos between apps. Open the Photos app, find the photo you want to copy, tap the Share button, and select Copy Photo. Now open an app that supports images such as Notes or Messages. Tap and hold in the desired location and choose Paste to insert the photo. And that's how you can copy and paste on iPhone. Whether you're working with text, links, or photos, the process is quick and easy once you know where to look. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe to our channel for more iPhone tips, tricks, and how-to guides. Thanks for watching.